Hello guys, welcome back to Indo Drama channel. In this world, each and everything exists have its own beauty. Suppose an example of blooming flower to an endless sea, huge mountains and running day of life. Everything categorized based on the beauty and importance. It's quite same as we compare with human beings. We humans attracted towards beautiful things like beautiful voice, attracting character, good physical appearance and lots of other things are there. These special properties makes us different from others. But one thing that obstructing these properties of humans not let them go for a long time. That is aging problem. Lots of dietitians are recommending you to have healthy diet and that makes you stay young for a long time. But even though it works, but very tough to maintain. But still, what happen if we stay young for a long time without any specific diet or not following any kind of strict rules? What happen when our skin will be healthy like before without doing anything by your own? Yes, this is one of the main problem humans were facing. From decades, scientists were continuously finding solution for this problem. Aging is a natural process, but if we can control this, then we will get lots of advantages. And for that, scientists are working and they got succeeded in some way. What's that? How they got? What they got? We'll see in this video, so let's start. Before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. The scientists of University of California, San Diego, according to them, they may have found a method of increasing the lifespan of cells by reprogramming it. This experiment of scientists were conducted to find the age of different cells and the reason behind it. And what they found that really surprising. The researchers of University of California chose yeast to study about its properties. We know about yeast, right? It's a fungus and a single-celled microorganism. The main objective of this research is that to determine the aging speed of the same cell at the same time. The researchers found that the cell with same genetic material and when it in the same environment, that time the growth of each and every cells may differ. This thing is happening because of the declining in nucleus of the cells, or it can happen due to dysfunctioning of mitochondria, that is powerhouse of cell. So from this we can understand that there are two ways which a cell can die, mitochondria and nucleus. Basically, cells have an option of choosing mitochondria or nucleus for the starting of its activity, and their age defines based on the mode of selection, whether the cell will select mitochondria or nucleus. But the main trick that scientists using in this experiment is to provide an additional source of energy to the cells without affecting its nature. After taking energy from the mitochondria, then the cell will take energy from the source that is given artificially. Ultimately, this process will increase the lifespan of the cells without affecting its activity. This artificially source will be given through computer simulations. Now, the experiment with yeast cells gets succeeded. But according to scientists, they want to try this experiment with some other complicated cells. Then only they will explore towards human beings. And there is a high possibility of executing these experiments towards humans in future. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends and family. Keep supporting me. Thank you for love and support. See you in the next video.